Hey guys, me again. I'm back for Battle of the Balls. I am on to turkey sausage cheddar balls. This is great for a party. It's quick and easy. It doesn't take quite as many ingredients as a turkey meatball, but it comes out and it's delicious. So let's go. Come on, join me. First things first, we are going to make an alternative to Bisquick. I personally don't use Bisquick. I grew up with Bisquick, so not knocking it, I love it. But my husband prefers a different type of buttermilk pancake mix that shall not be named. So I am going to make it from scratch, and here's how. And there you have it, folks. We have turkey sausage cheddar balls. Delicious, perfect for a snack, great with a salad, and check out my recipes for some of my sausage recipes for something to dip them in. Enjoy.